got the car checked out, pulled the wing off, all the front struts and everything for the wing. Pull all the, basically everything for the wing off, so just gotta put air in the tires. Do the same thing tomorrow. I take a generator, but my only generator is the one that's in the RV. My other one, neighbor borrowed it during the hurricane and it got broke. So I'm out of a generator, still haven't gotten one. So just putting air in the tires. Can't walk out there, my neighbor's blasting music for copyright. So got the fuel, M1, only M1, nothing else. Got the wing hung up, extra brake lines, gauge. Gotta have fire extinguishers. Anytime you go to a track, you have to have fire extinguishers. Any professional track. Got the top wing laid up in the trailer. Got some spare tires for the Sprint. Got the spare tires for the trailer. Hopefully I don't have any more blowouts. I don't want no more blowouts. Yeah, tomorrow we'll go ahead and load up and start heading down to Tampa, East Bay Raceway Park. Alright, so we get the car back out. Get the battery charger hooked up. It's got it, nice easy access with the front plate off. Pedal area, engine, driver's seat. Okay, let's charge it up. So I'm going to go ahead and make a plate to cover the back of these holes here from where I drilled for the radiator. At a later time I may take open that back up. So basically got everything nut and bolted the other day. I'm just gonna today kind of before the race put it up, check the toe again, check all the suspension, check my bars and all that. Put a GoPro mount on that. Not really a GoPro mount, it's a wing mount that I just kind of shoved the GoPro through with a bolt. So that'll work. What else? I just zip tied my lower wing mounts on there temporarily. Brakes work, fuel works, return springs are on there, everything's fueled up, I got oil. Everything in the trailer is good, I got fuel, tires, this and that. Firewall. I got Mr. Stacy Reeves riding with me. He's gonna be my fire protection. I got Twisted R Racing on the firewall. Good guy. If you want to check him out on his YouTube, it's Twisted R Racing, or you can find him Stacy Reeves on YouTube. Has some good stuff up there. He's doing more of the racing mower stuff now. So if you're really into that stuff, you go check his channel out. He's up and coming. Gaining and growing pretty quick. Yeah. Not bad from where it was when we first fucking started putting it together. Not bad at all. Well, we'll find out tonight then. Alright. I think we're all loaded up now. Got some chairs, got the car. Fire extinguishers. Fuel, wings, some extra tires, wheel wrench, jack stands, some water for the car, fluid, spark plugs, brake fluid, all that. Zip ties, can't forget zip ties, methanol, trailer tires. So yeah, we got her strapped down. We're gonna go ahead and head up there. Hopefully it don't rain. There's some dark clouds now coming in. Hopefully it don't rain at the track. Too much work getting everything ready and loading everything up to show up there and have it rained out. The news says it ain't gonna rain, but in Florida you can't trust the news because it can rain in a matter of 5 minutes. Just change up like that. But yep, we're all loaded up. We're hooked up to my truck. We're gonna go ahead and head out, go to East Bay. Weather, it looks like it's about to rain a little bit. Hopefully we don't get rained out tonight. I wish that was my hauler, besides that point. We're at East Bay, we made it. A couple other cars. And this just happened. We are getting, hopefully not rained out. Hopefully not rained out. Well, unfortunately, we're done. I know, that's the thing, is they're gonna rut it up by the time I leave. Yeah.